Up next on the next episode of Next on the Bench, we got a Heath kit SB220. It's in here. A friend of mine wants me to check it out. He's just been converted to run the 3-400Z tubes. He wants to make sure it'll run the 3-500Z tubes. So we're going to be going through that and double trouble. On our other bench, at the same time, we're going to be working on another one of these Pride DX300s. Yep. My friend said he was running it. It was still putting out power, but he smelled smoke, so he got off the key, and we're going to crack that puppy open, see what we can find on the next episode of Next on the Bench. Okay, an initial look at the Pride. You can see all these capacitors are not the same. Those blue ones are replacements. So somebody's replaced 3 of the caps instead of just recapping the whole thing. Got a couple capacitors there. That one's got a little tiny bulge, which is kind of a warning sign. I don't see anything that's smoked in here so far. He said he smelled like smoke. So far so good. Definitely a candidate for recapping for sure. Catch me later. Okay, we replaced that board with new caps and used some silicone adhesive to mount it. We still got this board here. One cap's been replaced on this board, 2 old ones. That's not acceptable. You don't just replace 1 or 2 bad caps and leave the old ones. You replace them all as a set. So we're going to get to pulling these out, replace those, slide the boards back in. These boards just slide in and out, which is cool. So we're going to get on that, get her finished, put it on the varac, see how it goes, and hook it up, see if we can get her making power. Catch me later. Okay, so we got the main high voltage caps replaced, all 6 of them. Next, we got to replace 2 more high voltage caps. That's for the screen voltage. And then we have 2 low voltage caps here. They're a little puffy looking. We're going to swap those out too. So that's going to be a tomorrow project. We'll pull this board and yeah, place those cappies. Catch me later. Okay, so I gotta unplug this little green wire. Looks like I gotta replace these wires, or unhook these wires here. Yep, so it looks like yellow, green, and brown. So yep, yellow, green, brown. I think the rest of them we can leave. Oh boy. Okay, and the last board's done. Replace the screen capacitors, and we replaced the low voltage capacitors. I mounted them back there because I used a little different kind. It was easier to mount it, a little cleaner to install too. So we're going to put the covers on it, take it over to that bench, do it on the varac. If the varac tests okay, we're going to put some power in it, see what it does. Wish me luck. Psychotech Labs signing off for now. Okay, time to power up the linear on the varac. So we'll turn the linear on. And we're down to 0. Varac is on. Start bringing it up a little. 70 volts. I don't feel anything weird. There's a problem, they'll start feeling resistance in the varac. $100 volts. $120. So yeah, we must have done something right. All right. So what we're going to do tomorrow, we're going to go ahead and hook the radio up to this, see if we're going to make some power, and then after that, then we're going to go ahead and put the new power cord on the heat kit, wire it to 110 volts temporarily, bring that up on the varac, test it, see how it does. If everything's checking out on that, then we're going to go ahead and see if we can make power tomorrow on the heat kit too. So hey, stay tuned, and like I always said, thanks for watching my video. Psychotech Lab signing off. Okay, we let the tube warm up a little bit. We're operating in the low position. We're going to go ahead and flash key it. Hello. 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 I don't really hear it keying. Hello. 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 Audio. So it's putting out power. Audio. So yeah. Sounds like the fan's working. Audio. Well, I'd say it's done. It's a hell of a quiet relay. You got to really put your ear up to it. But yeah, we're making good power. We're on the 2,000 watt scale, and we're doing about 700 watts. So, you know, that's a decent amount. Well, that's it for the Pride project. Now we're going to knock out the heat kit SB220, get the power cord put on that and everything. And that'll wrap up this episode of Next on the Bench. Stay tuned. Psychotech Labs will be right back.